So my friends and I, we have a group chat on Messenger. Generally, we're just sharing things we find on Marketplace, stuff that's well above our budget, but would make cool little projects and stuff and, you know, dreaming. However, we've been talking about getting this particular product for quite some time now. Something popped up, it was cheap, it's nasty, fits us perfectly, and it is the total opposite of what we're really looking for. So we went ahead and purchased it anyway. Stop talking and show you what we got. So we bought ourselves a boat. We paid $750 for it, $250 each between the three of us, and absolutely none of us really know a single thing about boats. So it could be interesting. We've got a 40 Mercury motor. We've been told it runs, however it doesn't currently. The story is it just needs the carbies cleaned, but we'll wait and see. The rest of the boat, it just needs a lot of TLC, with the floor being the main focus. It's got a bit of give to it, whether you can see that on the camera or not, but that needs some attention, as does most of the electrics and the likes. The previous owner bought it to repair and just never got around to it. This here cover underneath apparently is brand new. It was only ever set up once to take the photos to sell the thing, but I guess we'll find out when we pull that apart. So I'm currently standing in the boat. I haven't fallen through the floor, but it certainly does not feel stable. Just throwing all the crap out so we can give this thing a bit of a clean up. Step number one. So I've just given it a bit of a wash to get all the mold and grime off it and just see how well it holds up. Gonna need a repaint, which we already knew, because I mean, it's just peeling off. That's the stuff that didn't just flake off while pressure washing it. Same inside here. We had another bit of wood come loose. It's just draining out at the moment.